I think it went well. What do you think?
It went phenomenal.
Yeah.
It was an awesome experience.
The past 4 months have been absolutely crazy.
Some amazing stuff we did.
I never expected to learn this much this quickly.
The people that we've met, obviously Paul, Nick Trask,
JC at Roland Arts
Exactly.
Customs, Legend Suspension, SMT Wheels, LaPere Seats.
a lot of good people, a lot of big people in the industry, and it's pretty amazing.
Best part of the video. Dude, you know, we're staring at the screen and we're doing shit.
The bike's finally done. And I'll tell you, your turbo, it's the crown jewel. It's
Man.
just perfect. The bike came out great. The vets are here, they're inside, super excited.